everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my lasagna. I did pre-cook my noodles prior to my sauce. I did boil those for 7 to 8 minutes in a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to show you guys the process of how I make my sauce. I started off with a tablespoon of vegetable oil. To that I also added a tablespoon of minced garlic. Now I'm adding my bell peppers and my onion into the pan as well. And I'm just going to let those cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I have a pound of Angus ground beef. And I also had some leftover hamburger from the night before. I'm just going to add that into the pan as well. I didn't want to waste it. And now I'm just going to cook this until it's brown. I do have 1 can of diced tomatoes. One can of mushroom pasta sauce. 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper. A tablespoon of garlic powder. A teaspoon of black pepper. A tablespoon of chicken bouillon. We also add a teaspoon of sugar. That's just to take the tartness away. I'm going to give this a quick toss, and I also am going to add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of oregano. Remember to adjust the seasoning to your liking. Make sure you go ahead and give this a taste. If it is to your liking, we're going to let this simmer for 15 minutes on a medium heat. While this is cooking, make sure you turn your oven on to 350 degrees so it can preheat. Now we're going to layer our lasagna. And I did start off with the noodles, and I'm going to add sauce. I'm going to add my zucchinis for an extra texture. Now I'm going to add my cheese. And you can use any cheese that you like. I just like that mixture. And now I'm going to add sour cream. I do use this instead of ricotta. And I just like how it tastes. Now I did get about 4 layers. So after I am done with the process of layering the lasagna, I will place it in the oven for 45 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay safe out there. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Until next time.